heroes and heroines, welcome back to Shiroin. So thank you for watching all the previous videos of mine. Today I am doing a video that I have never done. It's a Club Factory haul. So before 2 to 3 months back I have ordered some accessories. So I thought why not show it to you also. It costed me from rupees 99 and it approximately went till 300 or 400, but the quality was really good and there were like tons of choices to make. So it was really good and I'm really excited to share it with because accessories are the things that's a little features that makes you look really brilliant. So let's begin. So to begin with, I got 4 packets like this, and in every package, it comes in this kind of packaging. It's really soft and there's a bubble inside. So because the accessories are really delicate, so I would start from I. I have written on everything that इसके अंदर क्या है उसके अंदर क्या है. So I will begin from I. So for the eye, I have ordered, I don't know why I have ordered this, but I have first of all ordered eyelashes. It came for, I guess, I don't even remember. I'll put the price while I'm showing you the product. So it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of eyelashes. I have not tried it and मुझे यूज़ करना आता भी नहीं. आई डोंट नो मैंने क्यों खरीदा ये, बट यू नो मुझे हमेशा से यूज़ करना था, तो ऑब्वियसली आई यूज़ इट इन फ्यूचर. द क्वालिटी इज़ रियली गुड, not that good or excellent, but it is good and you can use it. It's in really cheap price, so obviously it's really nice. That's it for the eye, and then we'll go for the ears. So for the ears, I have ordered earrings. Such a mess. This looked really pretty and it came as similar as it had been shown in the picture. It's really very beautiful. Till now I haven't used it, but this is really pretty, so I picked one. Even this was really cheap. Actually ये अगर हम मार्केट में लेने जाए तो इससे भी चीप मिल सकता है, बट यू नो in like outer market or street side shopping we don't have these kind of choices नहीं होते हमारे पास में, and online there is a benefit for this. And also I have many other things. Even this is a earring that I got. It's really beautiful. I think I was not able to find the picture because I guess it was out of stock. In one earring it is written girl boss. If you can see, this is girl and this is boss. It looks really nice and it's really shiny. Even this I haven't used it yet, so I'll use it because I don't have that really bossy kind of outfit yet. So I'll buy one and I'll wear it. And yeah, talking about this is the earring that I didn't like that much because ये जब मैंने देखा था क्लब फैक्ट्री पर, तो ये थोड़ा मतलब लाइक बड़ा दिख रहा था, मतलब थोड़ा बड़ा एंड हैवी दिख रहा था, बट जब मुझे मिला इट वाज नॉट दैट गुड क्वालिटी एंड बहुत ही हल्का फुल्का था. जैसे कि पिक्चर में आपको दिख रहा होगा, ये वैसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. सो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग can't help. So the next thing is for hands. Let's see what I have ordered. I don't even remember because I hardly use these things. Accessories में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा fan हूँ, like rings की, but मैंने सब कुछ ही साथ में order किया था. So talking about rings, yeah, I ordered these pair of silver rings. I am sorry for myself कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा messy हूँ and मैंने आधी चीज़ें घुमा दी है इसमें. सो इट केम रियली प्रिटी, जैसा पिक्चर में दिखाया था। आई एम रियली ग्लैड कि वैसा ही मुझे मिला है। अगर आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं तो ये एग्जैक्टली सेम ही आया है। दैट्स ट्रू कि मैंने आधी चीज़ें घुमा दी, बट इट वॉज एग्जैक्टली सेम। एज यू कैन सी इट वॉज एग्जैक्टली, अपार्ट देन दिस ये सारा मुझे ग्लव फैक्ट्री से ही आया है। सो इट लुक्ड रियली ब्यूटिफुल बिफोर एंड नाउ, बट यू नो थोड़ा पानी में डाल दो तो इट मतलब अपना कलर छोड़ देता है वो। सो या ऑब्वियसली ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग अगेन। So yeah, talking about bracelets, I have ordered a set of bracelet and ये भी same वैसे ही आया था जैसे मैंने order किया है. If you can see, I have more. Let me show you. Came in a set and it was really very pretty. क्लब फैक्ट्री में बहुत सारी प्रिटी एक्सेसरीज है जो जो मस्ट है एक्चुअली एक लड़की के पास होनी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट ऑर्डर, बट मैंने हार्डली इसमें से कोई यूज़ किया होगा एंड इट इज़ रियली प्रिटी इफ़ यू आर वेयरिंग अ गोल्डन वॉच with it and a really nice shirt, so it would look really very pretty. And I have also ordered this ring. This was, I don't remember, it was for 100 or 150, not more than, I don't remember. अगर अभी प्राइस बढ़ गया होगा तो. This was really pretty, but I guess थोड़ा महंगा हो गया as related to price, but it's okay, but it's really pretty. So now going for neck piece. Obviously neck pieces are my favorite things to wear. I wear lots of rings and a lot of a lot of necklace ही बोलते हैं ना इसको, like neck stuff मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है because moreover I wear black, it's my favorite. So obviously for me wearing a golden neck piece is really nice. So first of all, this is my favorite one. Look at this, it's so beautiful. Even the quality is good, but it's upon how you use it. अगर आप मतलब मुंबई में हो और बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, कहीं भी हो ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, पसीना आता है आपको, ये अपना कलर ऐसे छोड़ने लगता है. आई हैव यूज्ड इट, this one, even this is one of my favorite. इसने अपना मतलब if you can see it's not that golden, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो कलर छूट ही गया है इसका. So this is really pretty. ये भी बहुत cheap में मिल गया मुझे और ये आउटर मार्केट में मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. सो दैट्स द रीज़न मैं बहुत ढूंढा, बट अब सिर्फ इसके लिए तो मैं पूरा मार्केट नहीं घूम सकती थी. दैट्स द रीज़न आई ऑर्डर्ड इट ऑनलाइन इटसेल्फ. एंड देन आई ऑर्डर्ड this one. I'm so careless. Look at this. So I have ordered this Sagittarius neck piece. I ordered it for 2. ये ऐसे साथ में नहीं आया था obviously. मैंने इसे साथ में ऐसे घुसेड़ के रख दिया है कहीं पर. As you know, I'm really careless. So ये यहाँ पे लिखा है Sagittarius. So it's a star sign if you don't know. Sagittarius, Virgo, Cancer. So ये मुझे बहुत पसंद आया and it looks really good. I'll share a picture also. And it was also in real cheap. So मैंने ये इसके 2 ऑर्डर कर दिए. I really loved it. मैंने सोचा था 1-2 मैं अपनी एक फ्रेंड को गिफ्ट कर दूँ, बट no I did not, क्योंकि ये इतना प्यारा था कि I did not. And one is this choker. मैं इसे कभी नहीं पहनती and I don't know why I ordered this. This is really useless for me. Hardly मैंने 1 या 2 एक ही पिक्चर में पहना होगा इसे. But then too I have ordered it. I'm very good at wasting money. So this is the last neck piece that I have ordered. This is really messy. मैंने इसे पहना नहीं है किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ because ये जैसा दिख रहा था वैसा वैसा ही आया है, बट यू नो पहनने में थोड़ा मेसी है एंड दिखने में भी मेसी है. सो ये इट्स अ पिजन हियर. इट्स अ पिजन हियर. ओके, एंड ये यहाँ पे एक सर्कल है. so it somehow look like the picture I will share obviously of the product. So ये ऐसा कुछ दिखना चाहिए. So ये एक्चुअली मैं इसे पहना नहीं है अब तक बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आउटफिट भी ऐसा होना चाहिए टू वेयर अपॉन दिस. सो आई हार्डली वेयर इट बट आई फाउंड इट रियली ब्यूटिफुल, तो मैंने खरीद लिया इसको. आई लव द हाउ द पिजन लुक्स, इट्स रियली ब्यूटिफुल. really really pretty, so I love this thing. I guess मुझे ये भी गोल्डन में ही मंगाना चाहिए था बट मैंने हर एक चीज़ गोल्डन में मंगाई. सो आई थॉट कि चलो लेट्स buy it in silver. So after this I have also ordered for nose rings. As I said, this is the nose ring that I ordered for, and also I have one more, this one. अगर आपको nose piercing है जैसे कि मुझे है, so obviously you can wear it. It's a pin right here if you must be knowing. And ये अगर आपको nose piercing नहीं है तो भी आप ये पहन सकते हो. It doesn't look that good on me but मुझे obviously अभी oxidize चल रहा है, so obviously मुझे पहनना ही था. And this is really pretty. This looks really pretty on me. Talking about hair accessories, मैंने A to Z accessories मंगाई. So talking about the hair accessories, मैंने एक छोटा सा ये infinity clip मंगाया. This is an infinity clip that I got. ये भी I thought कि ज़्यादा थोड़ा महंगा हो गया in compared. So yeah, but इसका क्वालिटी जैसे दिखाया था उससे बहुत अच्छा आया है and I'm really happy. इसमें से आधे से ज़्यादा चीज़ें मैंने बिल्कुल यूज़ नहीं किया and I don't know why I've ordered this. Even I don't wear these kind of pins because I don't like opening my, मुझे बाल खुले रखना पसंद ही नहीं है. Just for the sake of sometimes video making or when I want to look beautiful तभी मैं बाल खोलती हूँ, वरना all the time my hairs are like really messy और मैं कभी नहीं tie करती हूँ. So this is a useless thing but yeah, I have ordered it and I'm really happy with it, especially the neck piece that I have ordered. I've also ordered this. This is really small तो मुझे दिखा नहीं actually. It's a sleek earring that I got from Club Factory. ये भी मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया है. You must be laughing on me. I know that इतना सब कुछ इसने ऑर्डर करके अब तक इसने यूज़ नहीं किया है. So this is a sleek earring that I have got. It's not that gorgeous or anything. It just has a diamond here, okay, and you just have to hang it like this. If you understand what is that, it's like this. So even this is pretty. It is not as golden as I thought because this is really bad. I thought कि ये बहुत ऐसे golden में आएगा but actually इसका color निकला हुआ है. So this is a bad one. And these are my really favorite and I think even you should buy this because if you're a college going person and if you're going somewhere special, so these accessories, if you wear a simple jeans and a plain top like black or any top or a red maroon top, so this will really help you to enhance your beauty more. Beauty is not on this but you know थोड़े accessories make you really look really good. So yeah, and also I have ordered sunglasses which is not for me. This is a sunglass that I ordered for my mom. I know मुझ पे नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. I'm just showing it to you. So yeah, and I ordered this for my dad. It's a really good quality and it didn't costed me that much, so that's the reason I ordered it and it came into a really good packaging. So yeah, that's it. These are the accessories that I have ordered from Club Factory and they are really cheap and this is not a promotional video. I have bought this from my own money because I really loved it and there are many more choices that you can also purchase from Club Factory. Obviously ये प्रोडक्ट्स इतने अमेजिंग नहीं है बिकॉज इवन मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स भी इतना अच्छा नहीं है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली देयर इज़ अ फर्स्ट कॉपी इन दैट. Products are okay, Yeah, and if you purchase this from malls, I guess थोड़ा सा अच्छा quality मिलता होगा, but even it's fine in this price. So yeah, in the outer market I won't get these kind of choices. So that's the reason मैंने Club Factory से decide किया कि मैं मंगा लूँ. So yeah, this was it. And I really hope you like this video, and I hope you all are really safe at home. Okay, and till then, we'll meet again.